Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by opening After Effects and choosing Help, then About to view your version number. Note the exact release year and major version number for compatibility checks. Next, open Creative Cloud Desktop to confirm your app updates are available. Media Encoder typically requires the same major version as After Effects for proper integration. Also, check system requirements before installing. Adobe recommends at least 16 GB RAM and 4 GB GPU RAM on modern hardware for reliable encoding performance. Open the Creative Cloud Desktop app and sign in with your Adobe ID to begin. Navigate to the Apps tab and locate Adobe Media Encoder in the list of available programs. Click Install or Update to match the exact major version of After Effects you use. Wait for the installer to finish before relaunching After Effects. After installation, launch Media Encoder first to accept any license prompts and enable integration. Remember, a valid Creative Cloud subscription is required to download and run the app legally. If After Effects cannot find Media Encoder, quit both apps and relaunch Creative Cloud to reinitialize links. Clear Media Encoder cache from preferences if output stalls or throws unexpected errors. Ensure both apps are on the same user account and that firewall settings do not block inter-process communication. If problems persist, reinstall Media Encoder using the Creative Cloud Desktop uninstaller and then reinstall. As a last resort, export a lossless file from After Effects and use Handbrake or FFmpeg to encode if Creative Cloud access is unavailable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.